Okay. And we are doing 2 missions this week, so here is the second one. VFX. I hear rappers, no eating in here.
Visual effects, or VFX for short, range from delicate dancing fireflies to screen-shaking explosions. From a subtle whoosh of a swinging staff to a spinning, sparkling portal, there are so many things that you can create. You can use them to emphasize certain actions, make your scene more beautiful, or make your experience more immersive. In this project, you'll create your own visual effects, including fire, weather effects, and a puff of smoke. Then you can use these skills to add VFX to your own projects. With that said, let's get started.
All right. So again, make sure that you, in the Get Started tutorial, you actually download the zip file, extract out the folder, and add it into your Unity hub so that you can follow along with the tutorials. So in this mission, you're going to learn about 2 different particle effects systems. The first one is the standard built-in particle system, which is actually called Shuriken. No, what is that? And the other one is called the VFX graph. So it's very similar to the shader graph that we've already learned, but this one is specific about visual effects. And all the stuff that you just saw in the Heretic is definitely making use and showing off the visual effects graph. Here's a quick promo video showing the visual effects graph. I don't know if there's audio. Watch the projection. Your frame rate's bad on your screen. So very cool looking stuff, right? Visual effects graph is super powerful. I need to refresh this. Okay. So in the challenge for VFX graph, you can see my first and regular particle. The first one here is using the visual effects graph, the animated GIF up there. And this one is using the standard particle system. So make sure, as always, on your discussion post that you have a GIF recording or a video so I can see the visual effects happening. And when I click on your published link, I should be able to actually see your interactive version. Here's my standard particles. Man, the frame rate is just terrible on my computer right now. Not sure why. It looks nicer whenever you go look at it, I'm sure. Okay. So you know what to do here. Discussion posts are always the same 3 requirements. And lastly, make sure you apply your visual effects knowledge you gained to your guided project. So here you can see particles flying through the architectural rendering scene. So let's go real quickly and look at the PDF file for my chosen guided project on architectural rendering. Remember, you want to choose the correct one based on what your guided project is. Let's scroll down here. So in the visual effects area for the project, it says to add dust particles in the interior and fireflies on the grass patch outside. All right. That is it. Your weekly survey question to unlock missions for animation and visual effects is not pulled up yet.